One of the most significant risks to the success of planning a new commercial development is legal or regulatory change that affects the costs of the operation. For example, is there going to be an introduction of a landfill waste charge? If I'm delivering a project that involves a considerable amount of production of waste, that is going to make a massive difference to any assumptions I made about cost 2 or 3 years ago. But there are also risks about things that I'm assuming I'll be able to do that suddenly I won't be able to do. For example, what happens if I'm assuming that I can use a particular kind of communication to transmit to customers or to transmit to colleagues a particular service that I'm planning to roll out in 10 years' time. And we get an increasing cybersecurity anxiety in the political process, and we're told we can't use a particular kind of system unless it's encrypted. Well, I haven't built it into my delivery model because it wasn't required for that sort of service at that sort of time. Either a massive cost increase, or possibly I go back to the board and say we can't do it anymore. I need to be looking ahead to see what changes might there be, and increasingly in this deregulatory age, I need to be looking for things that I'm assuming I can't do today that I might be able to do in 5 years' time, or worse, my competitors may be able to do in 5 years' time, and that will create a risk of competitive disadvantage that wouldn't have occurred to me if I hadn't been planning what are the deregulatory plans for the next 5, 10, 15 years.